Welcome back to Melody Guitar Book 3. This book focuses on reading and playing melodies in standard music notation. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you have your own copy of Melody Guitar 3 that you can read from and write in. Plus, you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. We're on pages 41 and 42. We're going to be looking at swing eighth notes, which are very common in jazz and blues. On page 41, I spent a good bit of time describing how to play swing eighth notes, but in a video format, it's easier just to show you. So these are straight eighth notes, and these are swing eighth notes. When you play straight eighth notes, you divide the beat equally. 1 and 2 and 1. And when you play swing eighth notes, it's a little bit lopsided. 1 and 2 and 1. Straight, swing, and you can think to yourself, long, short, long, short, long. You can't tell just by looking at eighth notes whether you're supposed to play them straight or swing. You can look at the tempo marking though, and that'll show you. A very common indication to show that it's supposed to be swing is the tempo marking just says swing. So there you go. Also, you will sometimes see these two eighth notes equals and then a quarter note and an eighth note under a triplet bracket. That is also an indication that you're supposed to play swing eighth notes. Otherwise, it's just assume you're playing straight eighth notes. On page 42, we have exercises 84 through 92, a series of short swing rhythm exercises. I'm going to play each one of these at quarter equals 100. I'm going to play each one of these 3 times, so if you're playing along, you can get in the swing of things, so to speak. Number 84 is just a series of eighth notes. It's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, second time. 2, 3, one more time. Number 85, we have 4 eighth notes followed by a half rest. What I'd like you to do is play the last eighth note accented and short. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Last time. Number 86, I'll play through this a little more slowly. It's a little more complicated. 3, 4. So notice every time we have a rest, I'm cutting the note right before it's short. And I'm accenting that as well. It's just part of the swing style. Do 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 da, do do da, ba da da. 3, 4, ba ba da da, ba da da, ba da da. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 3, 4. Last time. 3, 4. Number 87, I'll play this one slowly first as well. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 3, 4. And again, I'm cutting that note short right before the rest. Right there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Repeat. more time. Number 88, watch for the ties. Also watch for the 8 flats versus A naturals. The rhythm here is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That last measure, 1, 2, and. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. One more time. Number 89, we have some more ties to watch out for. We're tying the and of 2 into beat 3, and in most of these measures, we're tying the and of 4 into beat 1 of the next measure. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Last time. Number 90 has some held notes, some dotted notes. It's going to be very important to subdivide as you play. It can help to count out loud as you play so you can learn this swing rhythm. Count to yourself 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So all of those eighth notes are coming on the and of 2 after dotted, and also I'm cutting those eighth notes short. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Repeat. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Repeat. Number 91 has a lot of short, stabby type of notes. Make sure you're subdividing as you play. Just as with the last one, it helps a lot just to count out loud as you play. This is going to be 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and, last time. Number 92, watch out for the staccato C on beat 1 of measure 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and, here's your staccato, 1, 2 and. So that measure is short beat 1 and then 2 and. Here are those two measures again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and. Going on. One, two, 1, 2, ready, play. Repeat. Last time. Your assignment is to practice the swing rhythm exercises on page 42, and as always, work on keeping a steady tempo by playing along with the video, or play it to a metronome so you can choose your own tempo. And don't forget to order your own copy of Melody Guitar 3, the link is in the description. Take your time with this, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 43 for Go Tell It on the Mountain.